crazy. Where have I actually been? Okay. Hey guys, All Things Dammy here, and I'm back with another video. Yup. I'm sorry? I'm sorry? What? Okay, you're right. Why am I coming back on here acting like I didn't just leave for like a year and a half? Where have I actually been? People have questions. This is crazy. But I actually have to acknowledge the fact that I've actually been gone for a year and a half. Probably even more than that at this point. That's crazy. Where have I actually been? But honestly, I just want to start off by saying sorry. I am so sorry for leaving you guys hanging like that, for just going last minute. It was like, oh, I'll post a video next week, and then I was gone for a year and a half. Nothing is the same like I'm actually connecting with you guys here on YouTube. Like, yes, I've been talking to people through my Instagram and through my DMs, but nothing beats the relationship and nothing beats the community that I've built on here. And honestly, I've missed you guys. I've actually missed you guys so much. So yeah, what happened? Where did I go? Am I okay? Long story short, I'm okay. I'm all right. I'm okay now. I was going through a lot. As you guys know, travel nursing is stressful AF, and it was just a lot to balance, like moving every 3 months with all the trips that I was taking, and like filming and editing, and like stress and anxiety and all these things that I was actually going through. It wasn't easy, but I made it through. I can sit here probably for hours and give you guys stories and tell you guys the experiences that I've gone through and what has kind of like what allotted that break and why I needed that time off. But I actually figured that I can show you guys better than I can tell you guys. So if you guys don't know me, if you guys are new here, or if you guys just haven't subscribed yet, I'm gonna ask you guys to like and subscribe, because although I have not been editing and I have not been posting, I have been filming, and you best believe I've got a lot of stuff to tell. I've got a lot of stuff to spill. I've got a lot of stuff to show you guys. My highs, my lows, the things that I've learned, the things that I've seen. I'm giving you guys like an inside scoop on everything, all my travels, every travel nursing experience that I've had, as well as all the things that I've done with my hair along the way. Because on this channel, we do all things hair care, nursing, and we vlog it all. So if that's something you're interested in, I would ask you to join the family, and I'm going to see you guys next week for another video. Every week, you best believe. Are we picking a day? Should I pick a day? Oh my gosh, what day? You know what? Let's not complicate it. Let's pick Tuesday. All right, next week Tuesday. I'll see you guys next week Tuesday for another video. In next week's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I did these lovely bubble braids. I know you're watching, you're like, Demi, like, what is that? Don't worry, tutorial coming next week. So I'll see you guys next week Tuesday for another video. Bye. The things that I have experienced, the laughs that I have laughed, the tears that I have cried, the things that I have seen. Oh my gosh. I hope they subscribe. Fine girls will love Jesus. People will love Jesus. We are a new generation. God is sending. Fine boys will love Jesus.